All right, Mike here with Reprint. In today's video, we're making a video on head soaking an LEJ 640, and it's going to be the same process even if you have the, whether you have the hybrid or if you have the true flatbed. Same process, and I'm going to show you the way to do it if you do not have one of these pipe tools. These come with the printer. They're used to raise and lower the cap tops. You likely don't have one, so I'm going to show you the process if you don't have one. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove this cover right here, this bottom shield, and it's held on by 5 screws. There's one right here, here, and there's 3 at the bottom. If you come down to the bottom, you'll see there's one that's over here, one that's right here, and then another one down there. So remove them screws. Then once you do that, you can remove this. It might stick a little bit, a little tricky. So now what I want to do is lower the cap top. So I'm going to go here in service mode. If you're not familiar with service mode, I have plenty of videos on getting your roll into the service mode, including this one. But for sake of the video, we're going to go ahead and assume you already have service mode. You're in there. I'm going to go to menu, service menu, and then I'm going to scroll down to IS menu, and then I'm going to go down to IS control and cap. All right, then I'm going to tell it to open. I'm going to press enter. All right, and as you can see, now the caps have lowered. I guess it's a little dark back there, but the cap's lowered. I can now move the head carriage out of the way. They are where they need to be, and I need to pay attention to which tubes I pinch off to do the head soak. So what we have is these are your ink pumps right here. There's 3 of them. Now, that's your ink pumps, and we have 2 sides. This is your outside that actually goes to the waste tank, and the ones on the left, these hoses right here, are the ones that go to the cap top, and you can follow them to the cap top. You can pull and see the cap top moving. So the left side is the ones that go to your cap tops. All right, you have 3 sets. You have one set for every color. So one pump controls these 2 heads, middle pump, last pump. Okay, so typically you're going to want to soak them all. Might as well, you're in here. So you're going to want to pinch off them lines so that it can hold solution. And the easiest way, if you have binder clips, you can just kind of pinch the lines and put your binder clips on there. I have some forceps that I use. I order these off Amazon or Harbor Freight, whichever, which is going to kind of be hard to do with this phone in my hand. So I'm going to go ahead and put it down for 1 second and show you what I do. All right, so there we have it. I've crimped those off. This is just for these heads right here. So now I just want to take my syringe and fill them cap tops with solution. If you don't pinch off the lines, then it will not hold the solution and it's not going to work properly. So I'm just going to shoot a little bit of solution into them cap tops. Now they're held. Perfect. Now I'm going to move the head carriage back over, and I'm going to make sure to align them with the cap tops. Very important. You want to make sure you align them. You can't really see that. Let's see if I can turn my light on. I can't since I'm already recording, but I'm going to make sure that they're lined up, so whenever I come back here and click, let's click close, and I'm going to push enter. And I want to make sure that that lines up right, and we're going to have to push that button, that enter button again. All right, and I'm watching to make sure I'm in line. I am. I'm going to push enter one more time. Now that's raised me all the way up. The head carriage can no longer move. It's stuck. Now all I want to do is kill the power so it doesn't come on and try to do any type of cleanings. If you do, then it's going to overwork them pumps because they will be like they're clogged. So go ahead and turn the machine off, let it sit overnight, and hopefully tomorrow when you wake up or when you turn the machine off, you are good. This doesn't hurt to do this every now and then if you want to keep your heads in good shape, even if you're not missing any nozzles or no deflection. Good practice to do head soaks every now and then. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you haven't done so, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.